Imagine a world where innovation flourishes in every corner and where countries battle for the crown of progress. From the busy streets of Tokyo to the sprawling innovation hubs of Silicon Valley, from the majestic skylines of Dubai to the emerging tech standards of Africa, the race for global supremacy is savage. Throughout history, innovation has driven civilizations to new heights, from ancient marvels like the Great Pyramids to modern day miracles like AI and space exploration. It is a catalyst that drives us from the ordinary to the extraordinary, from the dull and boring to the awe inspiring. The time has come to reveal the answer to that burning question: who leads the world in innovation and technology? Join us as we delve deep into the Global Innovation Index 2022 and uncover the innovators who shape our technological landscape. I'll let you know which country stands where and will leave the champion to your guess till I reveal the name at the end. Switzerland, the US, Sweden, the UK, and the Netherlands are the world's most innovative economies according to WIPO's 2022 Global Innovation Index, with China on the threshold of the top 10. Northern America, the US overtook Sweden to climb to second position, while Canada is back among the top 15 global innovators, moving up to 15th place. The United States scored best in the world on 15 of the 81 GII 2022 innovation indicators, including global corporate R&D investors, venture capital investors, the quality of its universities, the quality and impact of its scientific publications, and the value of corporate intangible asset intensity. Canada scored best in venture capital recipients, joint ventures and strategic alliance deals, and computer software spending. Europe continued to host the largest number of innovation leaders, 15 in total, that ranked among the top 25. Out of the 39 European economies covered, 12 moved up the rankings previous year. Then Netherlands 5, Germany 8, Austria 17, Estonia 18, Luxembourg 19, Malta 21, Italy 28, Spain 29, Poland 38, Greece 44, the Republic of Moldova 56, and Bosnia 70. Sweden, which stood at number 3, came top in infrastructure and business sophistication worldwide, leading in indicators such as researchers, R&D expenditures, and knowledge-intensive employment. Germany reached 8th position, its highest ranking since 2009 after having entered the top 10 in 2016, leading globally on global corporate R&D investors. Southeast Asia, East Asia, and Oceania. Two Southeast Asia, East Asia, and Oceania region countries were among the top 10 global innovators. The Republic of Korea 6 and Singapore 7, and 5 others were in the top 25. China 11, Japan 13, Hong Kong 14, and New Zealand 24, and Australia 25. Singapore, China, and New Zealand improved their rankings previous year. China continued its fight toward the top 10, reaching 11th position in 2022. In addition, Turkey and India entered the top 40 for the first time, placed 37th and 40th respectively. India overtook Vietnam, which was at number 48th, as the top lower middle income economy for innovation. Within the region as a whole, Vietnam 48, the Philippines 59, Indonesia 75, and Cambodia 97 have made the greatest advances over the past decade. Central and Southern Asia. India at number 40 led the region and reached in the top 40 after making it into the top 50 in 2020. The Islamic Republic of Iran 53 and Uzbekistan 82 follow. India was the innovation leader in the lower middle income group. It continued to lead the world in ICT services exports and held top rankings in other indicators, including venture capital receipt value, finance for startups and scale ups, graduates in science and engineering, labor productivity growth, and domestic industry diversification. Sri Lanka 85, Pakistan 87, and Bangladesh 102 jumped up the rankings previous year. However, only Pakistan has steadily gained a position over time. Northern Africa and Western Asia. Israel 16, Cyprus 27, and UAE 31 led the region on innovation. Israel leads the world in venture capital deals and females employed with advanced degrees. The UAE edges closer to the top 30 and continues to rank in the top 5 in the number of researchers and businesses and R&D financed by the private sector. An additional 10 economies within the region moved up the rankings, including notable improvers: Saudi Arabia 51, Qatar 52, Kuwait 62, Morocco 67, and Bahrain 72. Latin America and the Caribbean. Chile 50, the only Latin American country in the top 50, led the Latin America and Caribbean region, followed by Brazil 54, a newcomer to the top 3 for the region, and Mexico 58, Costa Rica 68, and dropped out of the regional top 3. And now, here comes the champion. For a 12th consecutive year, Switzerland ranked first in the GII. It led globally in innovation outputs and specifically in patents by origin, software spending, high-tech manufacturing and production, and export complexity. As we reach the end of our exploration into the Global Innovation Index 2022, we stand in the awe of immense talent, creativity, and drive that exists in our world. Thank you so much for staying in. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay informed about the latest technological revelations. And if you have any thoughts, comments about the subject, or any suggestions for us, do let us know in the comment box.